Hi everyone, this is Ashley Johnson, and today we're going to spend some time going over how to use God's Living Water for early childhood. God's Living Water is for all ages, even your younger learners who are just starting to read. Each Bible lesson in the Director Guide comes with prompts according to the age you are teaching the story to. Using Lesson 2, Water from the Rock, as an example, we will go through how to teach this lesson to early childhood learners. Starting with the Bible lesson sheet in your Director Guide, we see a breakdown of this lesson for pre-readers. As an added element for this lesson, set up your space in a way that will visually include younger kids in the lesson. For Water from the Rock, consider putting up some decorations that go with the story, such as blue paper on your walls, or using butcher paper in boxes to create a boulder. You can have a blue scarf to pull out of a slit in the boulder, or even use blue streamers to mimic water flowing out. As you're telling the story of how God provided water from the rock for the Israelites to drink, tap the boulder with the stick and pull out the scarf. You can also have your kids act out this lesson, which they would really enjoy doing. You can also use the children's book, which has illustrations of each of the Bible lessons. Show the image of Moses with the Israelites gathered around the rock. Ask them some questions about these pages, such as, how many Israelites do you see? Were the Israelites hungry or thirsty? When God gave them water, were they happy or sad? Additionally, there are the early childhood leaflets that you can see right here. There are 5 leaflets in total, which cover lessons 2 through 6 from the Director Guide. Since we are using Lesson 2, Water from the Rock, as our example, let's take a look at that leaflet page. Here you can see questions similar to the ones we talk about for the children's book. Depending on the size of your group, consider using the Water from the Rock Bible story poster as a reference so everyone can see the picture in more detail. For the last question of how does God give us what we need? Ask them to list off all the things that God has given them every day, such as, He gives me food, He gives me clothes, He gives me friends. End by making the connection for them that God gives them everything they need, and remind them that Jesus is who we need the most. The next page of that leaflet is this coloring sheet where they can draw their favorite food on the plate. The Early Childhood Leader page has some additional suggestions for what to do with this coloring sheet depending on the time you have available. You can find this in your digital content. On the last page is this family devotion that ties in with the lesson. Encourage your kids to take this home and do it with their families. There's even a fun little challenge that they can do together. And there you go. I hope this overview was helpful for you or sparked some ideas of how you can use these lessons for early childhood. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at vbsteam@cph.org and we will get back to you with an answer as soon as we can. See you next time.